Hi everyone, this is my first ever voiceover video in YouTube. Look at him, the shy one.
Coco.
His name is Coco and he loves to roam around the bed. He looks exactly like a Pokemon, doesn't he? Look at how happily he's walking around with his tiny legs. He's always not cute like this all the time. He's in a happy mood right now. That's why he's so cute. Otherwise, he's naughty and annoying. His greatest hobby is to mimic others and mimic other ringtones. As you can hear. Hey, you can see one of his feathers are about to fall. It's been troubling him since a week. Oh, poor one. I will make another video on how to trim the feather. He has many activities such as biting accessories and much more. And we will make another video about it. So please do subscribe, like and share. Bye.